Hello, I'm Yvonne from Somerset Libraries, and today I'm going to show you how to make an insect hotel like this one. See? Insect hotels are really useful in encouraging beneficial insects into the garden, things like lacewings, solitary bees and ladybirds. It gives them somewhere to shelter and hibernate and even lay their eggs. But in some gardens, it's quite difficult for insects to find places to shelter and hide. So building an insect hotel for them would be really useful. So here's how to do it. First, you'll need a large plastic bottle. If you don't have one like this, then a plastic milk carton will be fine. String or waterproof tape. This is to secure the hotel once you've made it. Sharp scissors or knife. Some secateurs. These are useful but not essential, especially if you've got some sharp scissors. And of course, materials to fill the hotel. Here are some of the things you could use. You don't need to have all of them, but you will need to have enough materials to fill the bottle. You could have dry, hollow plant stems, some twigs, rolled up corrugated cardboard. You can secure this with tape or string. Bits of bark, small pieces of wood, pine cones, bits of broken terracotta pots, and dry moss or straw. You could probably collect most of these things from the garden or when you go out for a walk. So to start, you need to cut off about 20 centimetres from the bottom of the bottle using your scissors or knife. And I think it would be a good idea to get an adult to help with this bit. If you're using string, poke a hole in the bottom of the bottle, thread it through and out of the top opening, just like in the picture. Now start putting your materials into the bottle. Place the long things, like stems and twigs, so that the cut ends face outwards. Fill in with cones and softer things, like moss or straw. Just like in the picture, you can see it's half full, but with still some gaps. Keep on filling the bottle till you can't get any more in. It needs to be packed tightly enough so that the materials won't fall out easily, but it still needs to have room for the insects to get in. So when it's full, you need to make sure the filling doesn't stick out of the end of the bottle. So trim the ends of the stems and twigs to just below the edge of the bottle opening, like in the picture where it's marked. This will help keep the rain out. So now you've made it, where to put it? It needs to be somewhere warm, dry, probably not more than a metre above the ground, perhaps in a bush or a tree. You could secure it with the string, or if you didn't put string on it, perhaps some waterproof tape. It needs to be more or less horizontal, but slightly sloping down. So if it gets water inside, then the water will run out easily. And then all you have to do is wait and see who comes to visit. I hope you enjoy making your insect hotel. Do take a photo of it and let us see. We really love seeing what you're doing. Do keep an eye on our social media platforms, details of which are here. We've got lots of interesting posts, there's stories as well as things to do, and I'm sure you'll find something you like there. But do comment and share and let us know what you think, because we're always really interested to hear from you. Well, that's all for now, and goodbye and thank you for listening, and take care.